Welcome back, dear children. In our previous video, we have completed exercise 6.2. Today, we are going to start exercise 6.3, page number 138. The first sum. This entire exercise you will be doing in your graph books, children, because we are plotting the points and drawing graphs in this exercise. So the first question is, draw the graph of each of the following linear equations. I am doing the second bit. We have the equation minus x plus y is equals to 6. Okay. So the first step is write this equation in terms of y. So y is equals to 6. I am sending minus x to the right hand side. So that becomes plus x. Now we will assume the values of x and find the corresponding of values of y to get the points that are to be plotted. Okay. So let's draw a table which has 4 columns. The first column will be x. Second column is the equation that is given to us so that we can find the corresponding value of y. And then we will write the point in the form of x coordinate comma y coordinate and name the point. Okay, children? So first we are going to use the equation, assume the values of x, we will find the corresponding values of y, then jot down the values of x and y as coordinates of x and y respectively in the xy form, use the numbers to plot the points on the graph. Okay, let us do that. So I am assuming let x is equals to 0. Okay, this is my assumption, children. You can take any value. Now if this is x is equals to 0, then y can be found using the given equation. Y is equals to 6 plus 0. Okay, so 6 plus 0 is nothing but 6. So we have the point x is 0 and y is 6. So it is 0 comma 6. Let me name this point as point A, which I will be representing on the graph. Okay, similarly, now let me assume the value of x as 1. So y becomes, y is equals to 6 plus 1, that is equals to 7. So my point will be 1 comma 7. Let me name this point as point B. Then let me assume the value of x as minus 1. Children, this assumption can be any number. So y is equals to 6 plus minus 1, which is nothing but equal to 6. Plus into minus is minus, children. So that becomes 6 minus 1. So that is nothing but 5. So we have minus 1 comma 5 as the point which is named as C. Whatever line is drawn using these points, children, it is the graph of linear equations in 2 variables. Now let us plot these points in this graph. We have found 3 points and we will plot them in this graph. Okay, children? What is the first point? Point A, it is 0 comma 6. That means our x coordinate is 0. Okay. First we have to draw x-axis and y-axis. This is my origin where both the rays meet. It is written as O. Okay. To the right of it are positive numbers. 1 centimeter box. Writing scale is very important, children. 1 centimeter box will represent 1 unit. Okay. So let me write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On x-axis, see, we need 0, 1 and minus 1. So you need not write more than that, children. On the left hand side, you will have negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. We can stop here. Above 0, we have positive numbers for y-axis. We need maximum till 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Below 0, we will have negative numbers, minus 1. Now the first point is the first point is 0, 6. Yes. So this is on x coordinate, that is on x axis, we have 0 here. And on y axis, you need to reach point 6. This is the point, children. So this is the point. Let us call it as point A. Okay. Then we have 1, 7 here. The second point, 1, 7. So on x axis, reach 1. From there, go to 7 on y axis. So this is the point, children. This is point B. Okay. Then if you observe the third point, we have -1, 5. On x axis, you have to reach -1. Okay. Now from this point, you have to reach 5 on y axis. Okay. Is that clear, children? So we have marked point C. We have, see, if you observe, A, B, C, when joined together, they form a straight line. Yes, see, if we join them, they are in the straight line. Yes, children, it means graphical representation of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line. I hope it is clear. Let us write the scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Similarly, on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Is that clear, children? So this is our second bit. It is always better to take more than 2 points, children. We should always take more than 2 points. Please complete this graph, and you have to do all the bits, first, third and fourth, as your homework. Try to do neatly in your graph books, children. Thank you. Okay, children. Now let us do the second sum. Second sum is same as the first one. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations and answer the following question. I am doing the first bit. Y is equals to x. Very simple. We have to draw a column similar to this. First, our assumption, the values of x. Then, corresponding values of y according to the equation that is given to us. Writing it in the xy form and then naming the points. Okay. So, for this, I am assuming the value of x as 1. Let x is equals to 1. So, y will be equal to 1 because it is given y is equals to x. So, here we have 1, 1. And let me name this point as A. Then we have second assumption. Let x is equals to 2. Y will also be equal to 2. And my point will be 2, 2. Let me name it as point B. Then we have third assumption. I am taking let x is equals to 3. So my corresponding value of y will be equal to 3 and my xy form will be 3, 3. Let me call it as point C. Okay, children? Now see, children, we have drawn the x and y axis. We have named it as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So now I have to plot the points which we have found just now. Let us first mark point A. What are the coordinates? 1, 1. So first we have to reach on x-axis. X coordinate is 1. So I will stand here. And y coordinate is 1. So from this point you reach the y coordinate 1. Okay. And name it as point A. Then we have point B, which is 2, 2. So on x-axis you have to stand here. Children, you should not plot this point. You should not put anything here. You just have to wait here for some time and then proceed to 2 on y-axis. This is my point B. And then we have point C, which is 3, 3. On x-axis it's 3. Now reach to 3 on y-axis. That is our point C. Okay. We will join them and we get it as a straight line. So this is the graph for the equation y is equals to x. Similarly, you will plot the graphs for equations y is equals to 2x, y is equals to minus 2x, y is equals to 3x and y is equals to minus 3x, children. We have 3 questions there. Are all these equations of the form y is equals to mx where m is a real number? Yes. Kindly write all these answers in your graph book. Thank you, children.